One another, they're looking, they're testing the left and right toggles of their canopy to make sure that they can fly those canopies to the ground. They haven't pulled any reserves, so they've decided that this is really precision parachuting. You can see the best in the world, around and meet back up again. Now,
Jesse looks like
from South Wales, Sergeant Chris Williams from Norman in South Wales, Corporal Ryan Norris from Tredegar, South Wales, Flight Lieutenant Ollie Smith for the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, Now as they start to go upside down, everybody, this is one point they'll see you waving. Arms in the air, let's give them a huge wave.
Hold in the bank. Now, right.
The blackbird's pretty cool. I'll show you one. I'll show you a blackbird. Yeah, the black. They're the really long ones, like the two big engines.
So Enid splits, keep your eyes on Jimbo. Here we go.
I think that one had a stunner.
From the left, with the smoke damage, red 9, ready to fly the goose.
I think it's all the rest of them chase him. I just see that too.
Flying steeply, drawing a red, white and blue stripe is red 9. He is Flight Lieutenant Joe Hurston. Joe started off as a Hawk instructor, then moved on to fly the Tornado GR4 before going back to the Hawk. Pushing minus 2.5 G. He's the right way up, the other three now the wrong way up as they fly the mirror roll. Huge waves, they fly past upside down. Big wave, everybody.
Here comes the rain.
I have a horrible feeling we're about to get very wet.